In this video, we'll learn how to use Device Finder with the Nautobot prefixes. So up until now, the way we use Device Finder was as follows. If I go to Devices and Device Finder, add a Device Finder, you will see this box, and this box is going to be where we put our network address or host address, and based on that, Slurpit would fetch the devices. Now, there is a new feature added, and we can use prefixes that we have in Nautobot as the target network address. So I will close this, go to Nautobot. So in Nautobot, before creating the prefix, there is a very important step, and that step is to create a tag called Slurpit, because Slurpit is going to only find prefixes that have the tag Slurpit attached to them. So I have to make sure that I have that tag. If I go to Organization, Tags, Slurpit is shown off here, and make sure that you have the same wording as you can see here. For me, it is already created. If it's not created for you, go ahead and add the tag here. Now, any prefix I create, I can just attach this tag to that specific prefix. Now, in order to create a prefix, you go to IPAM, and here, prefixes. I can add a prefix, and I have two routers in my LAN, which are residing on 50.0/24. And here, before saving, I have to create a tag, slurpit, and I'm going to go ahead and create it. There is a field, and this would be active. Now, create it one more time. It goes through. So I have to go back to Slurpit. From the Nautobot side of things, we are okay for now. Now I just have to first go to settings, plugin, make sure we have plugin connectivity, authorization type should be Nautobot, status enabled, and here use prefixes for the device finder. If I make this enabled and go back to Device Finder, you're going to see that there is a new feature added. There is a new slot that's added to the page. Now, I will test the API one more time and save it. Go back to Device Finder, try to create a Device Finder entry, and there we go. This is the new slot I was talking about. If I switch to yes, the only thing left to do is to create an SNMP or attach an SNMP group, give it a name, and I can go ahead and test it. Since 50.0 has the tag Slurpit attached to it, it can find it from the test. Now, if I save it, the only thing is to start the device finder. Now, I will give it a minute and come back, see if we could find any devices in here. There we go. After about a minute, two of my devices were found. So this is how you can use prefixes as your target subnet.